You guys have been loving the speed test and unboxing, all that good stuff of this ZD Racing Pirate 3. It's amazing. Now we're gonna do some hill climb bashing fun and see how this thing conquers the hill. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
No, I'm Abby.
He's taking a nap and Popeye's battening down the hatches. Guys, we're the RCSaylors. Welcome to our RC family. This truck is amazing. So amazing that I forgot we're the RCSaylors. It's been very impressive so far. We lost a body clip.
It was my fault though. I saw it in the video. It was me. I thought it was you, but it was me.
When body clips go missing and I'm at the controls, I can sense them. It's like a spidey sense. Something is wrong. And I stop what I'm doing and I find the body clips. I'm just kidding. Kind of. we have had so much fun on the speed tests with this, but haven't had it out bashing yet, as clearly seen by the tires, which happen to be some of the biggest tires we've ever seen on any of our vehicles. We think maybe there's one truck we have possibly with bigger tires. Super impressive. There's no way this isn't going to be fun. So let's just plug it in, get it. Well, it's already turned on. Can you hear that fan going? Look at the motor in here, by the way. If you missed the speed test, that is you could feed a family of 5 for weeks off that can of soup. That's amazing.
Beans.
All right, let's put this up the hill. Abby, this is yours, so you get to run it first. See how it does. Okay, now we have some sitting water here today, and I think that this is waterproof. We're not gonna try to like fully submerge it. It has a box around the receiver, but I'm just not so sure about the fan and the ESC and stuff, so we're gonna take it a little bit easy. Abby's at the controls, anything goes, so. Oh my God, oh, that was epic. Oh, look Abby, Abby, this truck doesn't stop for anything. Wow. Keep in mind it's set up to do wheelies. So when you juice it, it's just gonna do backflips.
I want to find a tree that I can backflip it off of.
We can do that at the top of the hill here. So for this bashing video, we just popped in the stock 3-cell included 5,000 milliamp unmarked LiPo battery. So that's what we're running on. It actually just took down those trees. Oh man.
So it cannot climb the hill full throttle.
No. Okay. Look at it go though, Abby. Wow.
Full throttle, it's just gonna do backflips on me.
All right, let me get a little bit of zoom action on this one. You come in the hill, we'll get it zoomed in. Oh, you got it. You still got it.
Gotta really be easy on the throttle, because if you give it too much, it's gonna go backwards.
I gotcha. Whoa!
Look how it just eats through this grass.
I know, that's what I'm impressed with. Look at that. Wow. I don't know if you guys realize, this grass is crazy tall. I don't even want to stick my hand all the way down in there. I don't know what critters are living in there. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. It just disappeared in that grass and then popped out. That is crazy.
Look at the tire marks it left in there.
Isn't that just insane? The tires are so wide. Look, go hit the grass again. What it's doing is just laying it down. Oh man, that's a tough spot.
I hit it in reverse.
That's a ditch in here.
That's only because I hit it in reverse.
But what it's doing, it's like just like a snowshoe. It's just laying the tires down on the grass as it runs over it. This thing is a beast. Look at that. Oh, you just popped a wheelie over the ditch. That is amazing, those big knobby monster truck tires. Are you gonna take down all those trees?
I could.
Oh. That is a tough monster truck.
Having trouble, that's really steep there.
Yeah. Nice, nice. Oh. You gotta think it's not a crawler. It can't just like decide where it wants to go on a hillside. You gotta have that momentum built up. Look at you go. I mean, hey, to the park employees, we're taking care of the grass for you this week. You guys don't have to worry about it in the ditch. Keep your weed eaters cooled down, save your gas. We got you. That's so cool. Oh man. It's just dominating the hill. So even as a hill climbing monster truck, oh, okay, I gotta get up there, let's go. Okay, after a little hike, Abby and I are up the hill. You see this tree? Oh, wrong spot, wrong spot, wrong spot. I would hit it right here where it's got this curve, yeah. Plus you've got a nice smooth path that you can take to get up the hill if you need more speed, but here we go. Oh, come on, you got it, just hit it straight on right here. When she's not trying to hit a pole that big, she smacks it, but the tree that's... Oh! 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 Oh man, that is scary coming at you. Wow. Maybe it can't. Okay. You care if I give it a shot on the tree?
You break it, you bought it.
Okay.
For your Maximus.
It's worth it.
All right, show me up. Hold on. It just goes straight up.
Yeah. Still really cool.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I'm going to get the flip off of it, but it is really cool, huh?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just hitting the brakes in the air because I don't want to... Yeah.
Oh my god!
I think I'm timing the landing pretty well. This thing has a lot of mid-air control, so I think at the stomping grounds...
Oh my god! I was going so high. Oh my wheel! Oh my wheel! You broke my wheel! Oh, you snapped it, didn't you?
Yeah, it did. It snapped
oh
it.
My gosh!
Oh, we've never done that before.
Nathan!
Hey.
That DHK is mine! Karma. That's what you call instant karma. Oh my gosh. It's still going. So if you didn't see, this is what the regular tire in the wheelbase looks like. So Nathan, it just snapped the whole plastic. So we didn't lose like the wheel nut or anything. It's still right there. But the whole plastic rim of the tire just snapped on that. That is so wild. Let me see that.
It's never happened before.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. I'll buy you some new tires. Oh, that has never happened before. So I have to say.
No,
look,
it's gonna go again.
Look, our friends are back.
They've been back like 4 times today, back and forth.
Since we've been back here just playing with RCs. We know what they're up to. Well, we've never done that before, and you have to admit.
Are you winded now?
Yeah, that was really far. That was down a big hill. You have to admit, at the new bashing grounds, we would have hit big air with this.
Oh yeah.
It would not have survived that.
Yeah.
Those tires, that's a weak point. That's a weak point for sure. But
there's probably I bet that other back one at least is really, really weak right now.
Yeah, that doesn't mean it's a bad truck, but that does kind of stink. It's a
that was like a 10-foot fall. I mean, it was up here, guys, so that's like already 5 feet from where it landed down here. Plus it was going 5 feet higher, so that was like a 10-foot fall onto that back tire.
Yeah.
So you have to give it the benefit of the doubt because all the weight landed, I believe, on that tire.
Yeah, well, for sure. We'll probably replay that a few times. I can't believe the tire went all the way down the hill. We're gonna do our best to fix this, and then I think I might have the right idea for tires for this. I hope I have some on hand actually. We ordered them for something else, they didn't work for that. They might be perfect for this. So fingers crossed, if we do have tires that will work, we'll let you know what they are. Otherwise, I'm positive you can buy the tires for this anyway, so we'll probably have to do that. Just that's too awesome of a truck not to fix just the tire that snapped, right?
Right.
Well, we'll have it linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out more for yourself. I think the Maximus is way tougher out of the box. Don't you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, so.
It's mine now, though.
No, not if I fix this.
No, I said if you break it, I get the Maximus.
No.
Replay.
No.
You break it, you bought it.
Okay.
For your Maximus.
It's worth it. No, I love the Maximus.
You love when I edit these videos, don't you? I call you out.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.